So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about controlling blood glucose. So ensure to stay till the end of this video, as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this lesson, you'll get a free biology exam revision question to test your knowledge. So blood glucose is also controlled as part of homeostasis, and insulin and glucagon are the two hormones involved. So eating food containing carbohydrates actually gets glucose into the blood from the gut, and then the normal metabolism of cells removes the glucose from the blood. So vigorous exercise also removes much more glucose from the blood. Excess glucose can be stored as glycogen in the liver and in the muscles. So the level of glucose in the blood has to be kept at a steady level. So changes are being monitored and controlled by the pancreas using the two hormones, insulin and glucagon, in a negative feedback cycle. So this is what happens when the pancreas senses a high blood glucose level. It releases insulin, and then the insulin goes ahead to move the glucose into the cells of the liver, where it is stored as glycogen. So this reduces the blood glucose level. But then, if the blood sugar now becomes too low, then the pancreas releases glucagon, which goes ahead to break down the glycogen into glucose again, thereby releasing more glucose into the blood. So, if you have a health condition known as diabetes, you won't be able to control your blood sugar level. And there are two types of diabetes. We have the type 1 and the type 2. So type 1 diabetes is where the pancreas produces little or no insulin. This means a person's blood glucose level can rise to a level that can kill them. People with type 1 diabetes need insulin therapy. This usually involves several injections of insulin throughout the day, most likely at meal times. This makes sure that glucose is removed from the blood quickly once the food has been digested, stopping the level from getting too high. It's a very effective treatment. The amount of insulin that needs to be injected depends on the person's diet and how active they are. People with type 1 diabetes need to think about limiting the intake of food rich in simple carbohydrates and taking regular exercise. Type 2 diabetes, on the other hand, is where a person becomes resistant to their own insulin. They will produce insulin, but their body cells don't respond properly to the hormone. This can also cause a person's blood sugar level to rise to a dangerous level. Being overweight can increase your chance of developing type 2 diabetes, as obesity is a major risk factor in the development of the disease. Type 2 diabetes can be controlled by eating a carbohydrate-controlled diet and getting regular exercise. So guys, here is a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.